Are you using videos in your stories? Videos are a great way to grab attention and keep content interesting. So I'm gonna share 5 of our favorite hacks to take your Instagram stories to the next level. We will go over some hidden features in the app as well as some other apps to help you create engaging stories. Often people are watching stories without sound, so how do you get your message across to these muted viewers? Our first hack is about subtitles for stories. And yes, you could put subtitles in your stories. You'll go to capwing.com and you will upload your video, or you can use a URL from a video that's been posted online already. Next, you can manually write the text or let it auto-generate for you. Don't worry, you can edit the text to perfection later. After you get the timing, you can change the style of the text by adjusting the font, size, color, and position. We choose to use 9:16 in all of our stories. Then, the last step is to play the video and make sure it works correctly. And export. Awesome, right? Hack number 2 is using an amazing app called Over. Over is a design app that helps you create next-level stories. This powerful tool gives us features typically found on computer applications, but in our phone. One of our favorite features about using the app Over is the ability to use your brand's font. How do you do this? You airdrop the font file to your phone and then you open it on the Over app. Oh, say that 5 times fast. And that's it. Now your font is available for your creations. All right, now hack number 3. Let's talk about one of my favorite things, GIFs. Or is it GIFs? It's GIFs. In Instagram, you have GIF stickers, but did you know that you can copy and paste your favorite GIFs into Instagram? What? Just find the GIF that you want and copy and paste it and adjust it right into your story. This could also be done for photos. Want to write something on your story with a custom color background or overlay color on your photo? You can with the pen tools. Check this out. First, you're going to pick the color. Second, you're going to pick the first pen tool. Third, you're going to press and hold the screen until it changes to the color that you chose. To make a transparent color overlay, you will select the next pen tool over and press and hold the screen again. You can even get a little creative with these features and select the eraser tool to create reveals. Pretty cool, right? And hack number 5 is about colors. Want more than the 9 color options that Instagram gives you? Our last tip is a hidden rainbow of colors. To reveal this rainbow, you just press and hold down on one of the colors, and then you have a whole range of different colors to choose from. Pro tip, check out Google's Gboard app. Once you download and install this, prepare for more power from your phone's keyboard. While you're within Stories, you can use this keyboard and do a small search within Google to find videos, links, pictures, GIFs, and more, and then paste it into your story without even leaving the Instagram app. What hacks have you discovered for your Instagram stories? Let us know in the comments below. We hope this helped add some fun and creative ideas to your stories. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you and your upgraded stories soon.